Step into the future with human-like AI avatars. Imagine a world where you can create a virtual version of yourself, an AI avatar bot that looks and talks just like you, work 24/7 to mentor customers, drive leads, sell products, and more. You 3x your business in just weeks. AICoaches, the first app that clones real humans into AI avatar bots. AICoaches lets you clone yourself or any expert into an AI avatar chatbot with customized knowledge, personality, and appearance that mentors clients, closes leads, and more 24/7, growing your business. Plus, you can customize and rent out DFY AI coach avatars, pre-trained in popular niches, to small businesses to run an AI avatar automation agency business. AICoaches is far more than another GPT bot or automation tool. This is the only app where you can have, for instance, an AI replica of you coaching clients in your coaching style, philosophy, and avatar, not a cold, lifeless bot. Turn yourself into a customized AI avatar chat bot that grows your business 24/7. Turn anyone else, including experts, into AI avatar bots that work for you. Use or sell DFY expert AI avatar chat bots trained in popular niches. Train on custom data in a click. Use videos, TXT files, links, and more. Customize personality, coaching style, and more. Customize avatar appearance and embed anywhere to use. Use to generate leads 24/7 on pages. Use to mentor clients 24/7 or provide support. Let avatar bots accept payment and sell your products 24/7. Run a customization AI agency with commercial rights. Sell custom AI avatar bots. Embed in multiple ways: inline embed, pop-up embed, and more. Autoresponder integration available. Mobile-friendly, works on any device. Hold multiple conversations. Dive into this groundbreaking experience and be one step ahead in embracing the possibilities of artificial intelligence. Download AICoaches app now and unleash the power of your AI avatar bot. Check below link to watch AICoaches in action now.